If Steele Creek is at the top of your list of places to move to, today you're going to love this community. It's located in Steele Creek and it's going to be small, but it's going to be incredible. If you're interested in moving to the Charlotte metro area, you have reached the correct channel. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. About 10 years ago, I made the move from New York City down to Charlotte, North Carolina, and I absolutely love it. So I know exactly what you're going through. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment to do so you can continue learning about the Queen City. However, if you are thinking about purchasing a property, also feel free to reach out to me at any of the contact information below. I'd love to help you navigate this journey. Now, let's take a look at this stunning community by MI Homes in just a moment. More by MI Homes is located in Steele Creek. Now, Steele Creek is 18 minutes from Charlotte Douglas Airport, and it's also 23 minutes from Uptown Charlotte. Now, this is not going to be a big community at all. It's going to have about 75 homes only. The one we're in right now is called the Fenmore. This is the model that they're showcasing. Love that staircase. It's unique. I love the way they've situated it. Now, this floor plan is going to range anywhere from 2,972 square feet to 3,010 square feet. Well, what's the difference, you ask? And that's just simply the elevation will change it just a bit. It does have 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. And one thing that I like that MI Homes did in this community is it has 6 floor plans that are available. 5 of the 6 have the guest bedroom downstairs. And that's not an easy feature to find, especially when you have a 2-car garage. It is very difficult to both get a bedroom downstairs and that 2-car garage. So you don't often see it, but all of these, except for one, have the guest bedroom downstairs. They do also have 2-car garages, except for one floor plan, which has a tandem garage. And that simply means that you can get 3 cars in there. One you're going to have to park in front of the other. So this is great for like if you have like a classic car you're working on, a motorcycle, a golf cart, kind of things that don't come out that often, or if you just really like having your car in the garage. We don't park our cars in the garage, so I don't know how exciting it is to actually be able to house it in your garage. This right here is the guest bedroom. MI Homes builds very energy efficient homes. So that is a plus that comes with this builder. The floor plans are going to range anywhere from 2,364 square feet to 3,889 square feet. I personally think that the sweet spot is anywhere between 2,500 and 3,000 square feet. So I love that MI Homes gives you the option of something a little bit smaller, so that 2,300 range, and then something a little bit larger, which is that 3,900 range. Now, there is a floor plan in this community where you can get that owner's suite on the lower level. However, you will lose the tandem garage, but you do have that option, especially if you don't need a 3-car garage. This right here is the exterior. You can get that extended and covered patio, which is great. If it's drizzling one day, hey, you are shielded from the elements. You can still hang out, grill, have a good time in the back. Here we are on the 2nd floor level. This is a nice, spacious loft. They've treated it like a recreational area, which is great, especially if you have kids or if you're just a big kid yourself. Now, here you have a bedroom towards the back, which tends to be quieter. That's why you see a lot of owner suites sit in the back. This one actually sits in the front, but it does feel like it's its own wing. So again, with these floor plans, like I said, there will be 6 options. This one is the Fenmore. So if you like it and you want to give me a call just to get the process started, this one is called the Fenmore. It is starting in the high 500,000. Now let's talk about proximity to things. Now this area, right, Steele Creek is nicely situated. It kind of sits right on that border, so you can go to South Carolina. It is 10 minutes from the public part of Lake Wiley. So here you can rent boats and, hang out on the water. You can go to Papa Doc's. That is one of my favorite restaurants. If you've ever heard me say, I always say Papa Doc's is one of my favorite restaurants. You're 13 minutes from Carowinds. You're 12 minutes from Top Golf. You're 13 minutes to a movie theater. You're about 8 to 10 minutes from a public library if you like to read. Some people may not even know what a public library is anymore. But if you're into that, I love books, but now I'm doing Audible. This is a great location for you. One thing that I really, really appreciate about the Steele Creek area is that there's tons to do right here. It doesn't technically have a downtown, but there are a lot of things that you can get into. Piedmont Social House, that's also about 13 minutes away, which is like a bowling alley / pool hall. Here we have the primary bedroom. Wow. This thing is huge. It's amazing. I like that tucked in area. Let's say you like to do your makeup for us ladies. You can put your makeup on there. You can also use that area for a little office, right? So if you like to work from your home, you can tuck it in there. If you like to work in your bedroom, not everybody does. This bathroom, look at this bathroom. This is one of the things that I really, really love about MI Homes. Huge, huge shower. I am a huge proponent of not having a door. That is a big thing to me because if you have a door, you are going to get mildew, which could develop into mold. So I like the openness, but you do have to have a rather elongated shower to actually make that happen. Here you have a walk-in closet, lot of room. If you think AV and More by MI Homes might be the right community for you, feel free to connect with me using any of the contact information below. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I am a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in the Charlotte metro area. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please take a moment to do so that you can continue learning more about what this city has to offer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.